Why?
Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, McLean, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Will, Winnebago, and Woodford, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Porter, and the following: Lake Michigan from Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, Lake Michigan from North Point Light to Wind Point, Wisconsin.
Radio and television outlets or internet for the latest severe weather information.
Offshore to mid-lake, Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois. Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois.
Pieces of crap had to interrupt me eating lunch.
Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana. Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana. Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana. Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois. 5
How many
nautical
marine
miles
locations are there?
offshore to mid-lake. And Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana. 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. And the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock and Walworth, and Clinton, Iowa.
God.
Remember,
It's
a severe
huge.
thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch
I'm
area.
gonna be here a while.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Jeez, you had to interrupt me like that. I was over here because I had to get all the counties it was issued for, which is why I was barely over there. This is Blackhawks Vision, and I'm currently walking around in the streets of Sterling, Illinois, which is where I live, and there's nobody else around, so I've determined that it's okay to not wear a mask for a few minutes. So, if you were listening to the SVA, you probably didn't hear particularly dangerous situation, did you? Well, that's what I'm under. A particularly dangerous situation. Severe thunderstorm watch. Probably the first of my life. Like, I've been under a tornado watch before, PDS tornado watch. That was back on March 28th. Nothing happened then. I was not really into the EAS game at that time. But now, it's 84 degrees out here right now and humid, so it's horrible. Perfect conditions for a storm or two. But we're probably going to get 80 across the area. It's not going to be fun, is it? So, as I was saying, let me try to... I've really never been under a lot of PDS watches or warnings, but we're going to be seeing a lot of storms. And from what I've read, wind gusts of up to 100 miles per hour are possible with the activity that's coming our way. Oh, and by the way, the wind probability, which was 30% earlier, is now 45% and significant severe. And that's because the Storm Prediction Center issued a moderate risk for severe thunderstorms across northern Illinois today and portions of eastern Iowa. Well, actually, I think eastern Iowa has the enhanced. Yeah, and southern Wisconsin has the enhanced as well. Also, parts of northwest Indiana. But northern Illinois is going to get battered with storms today. I'm calling it. 45% wind probability. Are you kidding me? That has never happened to me before. What also shocks me is that the tornado probability is 5%. Yeah, 5%. That's it. We are not turning, Sadie. Come on. Talk to my dog. Could you not tell? So anyways, yeah, might be the first PDS of my life, except for that PDS TOR, but I wasn't really paying attention back then. Whenever it shakes a little bit, I'm either walking or whenever I do that, I'm trying to adjust it. So yeah, I turned around because there's some fresh tar back there. But yeah, I think this is the first time I've ever recorded an intro outdoors. Come on, Sadie. Let's talk to my dog again. So yeah, we'll see what happens today. So really for the first part of it, when everything's coming up on WXJ73, only the WR120 is going to be working because I cannot find a way to get good signal of WXJ73 on freaking CL100. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it for the intro. I'm recording this before the weather event. The last time I recorded the intro after, as well as the outro, I'm recording everything before and after. And unlike that event, this is going to be in the afternoon. It's about noon right now. The last one occurred in the late afternoon into the evening until like 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. And I think it persisted to 11 or midnight last time. Today, oh, it's going to be wild. Time to go catch some more. See when I get home. God damn it, here we go. This one's taking forever to do something.
Thunderstorm warning for Lafayette County, Iowa County, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located in
Johnson County, Jones County, Muscatine County, Central Wayne County, Clinton County, until 1:30 p.m.
50 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. A 63 miles an hour wind gust was measured in Patch Grove and Grant counties. Expected
hazards include 80 miles an hour wind gusts.
It's wild.
Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. This line of storms has a history of producing 70 to 90 miles an hour.
Arena, Ridgeway, Abigail, Linden, New Diggings, South Wayne, Waldwick, Elk Grove, and Cobb. This includes the following locations: Hyde Mill, the House on the Rock, and Iowa Green.
Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations affected include Cedar Rapids, Davenport, Iowa City.
This one's done.
Macokota, Anamosa, Tipton, West Branch, Durant, Mechanicsville, Stanwood, Marion, Coralville, North Liberty, and Silvis. This includes the following highways: Interstate 74 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 235 and 306. Interstate 380 between mile markers 1 and 30. Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 4. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 7. Interstate 88 between mile markers 1 and 13.
Oh my god.
Interstate 280 between mile
This is gonna get
markers
cut
1
off.
and 18. Take cover now.
Go off. Alright, it went off immediately this time. What even...
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Henderson County, southwestern Rock Island County, Mercer County, northwestern Warren County, eastern Van Buren County, eastern Washington County, southern Muscatine County, eastern Jefferson County, Henry County, Des Moines County, Louisa County, southeastern Johnson County, Lee County, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:42
There's another huge
p.m.,
SVR.
severe
Wow.
thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lone Tree to near Lockridge, moving east at 65 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles
Okay, that's a
an
different
hour
storm.
wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rock Island, Burlington, Muscatine, Fort Madison,
Rock Island.
Pleasant, Washington, Aledo, Wapello, Columbus Junction, Oquawka, Coal Valley, West Burlington, Burgess, New London, Minneapolis, Long Tree, Kenosha, Winfield, and Riverside. Take cover now.
Thank you for turning off.
The Quad Cities has issued
Island County, North Central Mercer County, Whiteside County, Northern Henry County,
Uh-oh.
Carroll County, Northwestern Bureau County,
Northwestern Bureau County, Jackson County, Eastern Cedar County, Scott County,
Northeastern Muscatine County, Clinton County, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line
extending from near Center Junction to Calamus to near Montpelier.
These are very dangerous storms. Expected hazards include 90 miles
Ah!
an hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters.
90 miles per hour!
History of producing winds up to 80 to 100 miles an hour and significant tree damage. You are in a life-threatening situation.
Life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed.
Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include Davenport, Moline, Rock Island, Bettendorf, Clinton, East Moline, Sterling,
Ah!
Falls, Macokota, Morrison, Durant, Mount Carroll, Silvis, Geneseo, Eldridge, DeWitt, Milan,
Screaming like a
Command,
girl.
and LeClaire. This includes
It
the
said
following:
Sterling!
Interstate 74 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile
Markers 276 and 306. Interstate 80 in Illinois between
38. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 21. Interstate 88 between mile markers 1 and 44. Interstate 2.
You're that little bit off.
Take cover now.
It said Sterling, folks. It said Sterling. We are done. 90 miles per hour. It's headed right at me.
70 mile an hour is coming.
Oh, God. No, 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 no. Not like this, guys. Not like this.
You're probably gonna get it.
Do you...
There's a tornado warning to the west of me.
Where? Where?
Where? It's in Platteville. I'm not in Platteville, but the storm.
There it is.
The tornado is heading for me.
Oh, there's a tornado warning up in Grant County.
This is scared. I'm scared because if
I need to
this
read this.
develops into like a monster, I won't be surprised if it comes in my county and either.
All right. Okay, it's just this one.
Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a
Severe thunderstorm warning for
Joe Davies County, Stevenson County, northwestern Jackson County, southern Dubuque County, northeastern Jones County until 2:15 p.m. At 1:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bernard, or 13 miles southwest of Dubuque, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Additional thunderstorms were located along the Highway 20 corridor near Galena and Freeport, moving east. Expected hazards include 60 miles
Okay,
an
this is a
hour
different
wind
story.
gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dubuque, Freeport, Galena, Asbury, Lena,
Oh,
Bellevue.
Galena's
Cascade,
getting impacted by this one.
Epworth, East Dubuque, Farley,
not anything
Lawrence,
deadly.
Peosta, Hanover, Pearl City, Elizabeth, Cedarville, Davis, Woodbine, and Dakota. Take cover now. National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning
Tornado?
for eastern Lafayette County, central Greene County until 2 p.m. At 1:22 p.m., a severe
Tornado
thunderstorm
warning!
capable of producing a tornado was located over Darlington, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Argyle and Blanchardville around 1:45 p.m. New Glarus and Monticello around 2 p.m. Other locations in
SBR.
thunderstorms include Lambda, Yellowstone Lake State Park, Attica, Calumet, Lamont, Whistler, Jordan Center, Fayette, Jason, and Gratiot.
thunderstorm warning for
Take cover now.
northeastern Hancock County.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Greene, and Lafayette.
Mercer County in northwestern Illinois, southern Henry County in northwestern Illinois, southwestern
I could not
Bureau
hear the
County
start of
in
this
north
last one.
central Illinois, eastern Des Moines County in southeastern Iowa, northeastern Lee County in southeastern Iowa until 2:15 p.m.
Tornado warning in Wisconsin.
3 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hamlet to Nauta, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burlington, Kewanee, Fort Madison,
Kewanee.
Monmouth, Aledo, Cambridge, Okanoka, West Burlington, Galva, Burgess, Roseville, Viola, Dallas City, Stronghurst, Woodhull, Millersburg, Matherville, Kirkwood, Alpha, and Sherrod. This includes Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 22 and 33. For your protection,
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. I'm mocking it.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lee County in north central Illinois, Ogle County in north central Illinois, Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 3:15 p.m. At 1:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Centralia to near Spring Rock to near Princeton to near Little York, moving east at 70 miles per hour. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Rockford, Beloit, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Dixon, Roscoe, Rochelle, South Beloit, Brockton, Byron, Oregon, Mount Morris, Amboy, Polo, Rockford Airport, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, Pecatonica, and Foreston. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 78 and 123. Interstate 88 between mile markers 45 and 82. Interstate 90 between mile markers 0 and 18. This includes Castle Rock State Park, Lee County Fairgrounds, Loudoun State Park, Ogle County Fairgrounds, Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, Rockford Rivets Baseball, Rockford Speedway, Sauk Valley College, White Pine State Park, and Winnebago County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across Iowa and western Illinois. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to...
Oh, cut off. Odd.
a severe...
Another alert. Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Putnam County in north central Illinois, Eastern Henry County in northwestern Illinois, Bureau County in north central Illinois, until 3 p.m. At 1:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Prophetstown to near Lafayette, moving east at 70 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. This line of storms has a history of producing 70 to 90 miles per hour wind gusts and significant tree damage.
Yeah.
Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught
Hey,
without shelter.
I got an alert right
Mobile homes
now.
will be heavily damaged.
Don't say anything.
Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Kewanee, Princeton, Hennepin, Spring Valley, Galva, Henry, Depew, Grahamville, Walnut, Ladd, Gwinnett, Atkinson, Sheffield, Annawan, Tuskilwa, Lamoille, Dollaville, Buda, Bureau Junction, and McNabb. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 23 and 72. Interstate 180 between mile markers 1 and 13. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Rainfall is occurring with
Damn, ready.
and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Hey! Ah. Maybe this isn't the worst of it, but... Well, I just froze.
Damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Duluth, Whitewater, Monroe, Elkhorn.
What do you want?
National Weather Service in Chicago
Has issued a
tornado warning
tornado?
for southeastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, southern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 3:45 p.m.
Loud. Shut
At
up.
2:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Rockford, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cherry Valley around 2:55 p.m. Belvedere around 3 p.m. Timberlane around 3:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Garden Prairie and New Milford. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds, Rock Valley College, and Rockford Rivets Baseball. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 115 and 123. Interstate 90 between mile markers 12 and 31. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Is it built to do tornado warnings like extremely loud? Little pieces of crap. Tornado again.
Tornado warning for northern Boone County in north-central Illinois until 3:45 p.m. At 2:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of...
And again, this is 85 times louder.
Moving northeast at 30 miles per hour.
Don't.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation.
Tornado.
Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Candlewick Lake and Timberlane around 3:05 p.m. Poplar Grove around 3:10 p.m. Capron around 3:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Caledonia. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Is that built to do tornado warnings 85 times louder? Tornado.
Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southeastern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, King County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes were located along a line extending from Maple Park to Mary Gleets near Sandwich to Lake Holiday to near Sheridan, moving east at 60 miles per hour.
Can't hear this.
Hazard, tornado.
Tornado.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact,
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Plano and Lily Lake around 3:15 p.m. Yorkville, Camden Hills, Sugar Grove, and Alburn around 3:20 p.m. Aurora, St. Charles, Oswego, Geneva, Montgomery, North Aurora, Boulder Hill, and Valley View around 3:25 p.m. Bartlett, West Chicago, Batavia, Minooka, and Wayne around 3:30 p.m. Joliet and Plainfield around 3:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by these tornadic storms include Kingville, Platteville, Norway, Virgil, Lisbon, Bristol, Millbrook, Millington, Little Rock, and Big Rock. This includes Sandwich Fairgrounds, Aurora University, Fermilab, Illinois Math and Science Academy, King County Cougars Ballpark, and Waubonsee Community College. Including the following interstates: Interstate 80 between mile markers 120 and 122. Interstate 88 between mile markers 97 and 120. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
No! Severe thunderstorm.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin,
Southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, western Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 4 p.m. At 3:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Clinton to near Marengo, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
hazard 60 miles per
Hold
hour,
on.
gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Williams Bay,
Camp Lake, Rochester, Wheatland, Genoa City, Walworth, Silver Lake, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Powers Lake,
Welcome back.
Browns Lake, Como, Pell Lake, Twin Lakes, and Boners Lake.
Shut up.
For your protection, move to an interior room
On the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Oh, frick.
on or near the lakes in southern Walworth County. Get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike
This is a
out
severe
to 15
thunderstorm
miles
warning.
from the parent thunderstorm. If you can
Severe.
hear thunder, you are close enough
To be struck by lightning.
Move to safe shelter now.
Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm.
I tried to mock the same tones. I failed horrifically.